Good morning, everyone, and it's Happy Easter with Debbie's Delights. So join me on this Easter weekend as we explore some of the sights and sounds of the birds around here, and all the goings on of birdsong and the Tennessee-Kentucky Lake area. Yeah, I took a couple of zoomed in pictures because it cracks me up. He looks like a little tiny Rottweiler head. It's so windy down here today. I cut out the volume because it was just too windy. But can you see these little sparrows here? They're trying to fly in the wind, and it's just so hard for them because it's so windy. It's catching them in that little gust of wind. But they're cute. They're trying. Go, little buddy. Now we're just gonna sit back, unwind, and let the sun set and take in the lovely sights. All right, enjoy the sunset, you guys. There's that mockingbird. Hello, mockingbird. Hey, what are you doing? He's so camouflaged you can barely see him up there. You see him? I'll put a little arrow. Just gonna sit here quiet for a minute so you can hear all the birds. It's beautiful. What a gorgeous morning. All right, stay tuned, you guys. It's the tent worm invasion. They are here. It started.
Yeah, they are busy. They are going everywhere. Focus on that little guy. Alright. I just wanted to show you guys the tent worms are active. They are. I don't know where that bird is at either, but sure a beautiful sound. Everything's busy this spring. There's a great blue heron at the end of that dock. They like hanging out there, watching the fish. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna let him be so he can do his hunting, stalking the fish. He's beautiful.
Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this next picture. I zoomed in on the moon. What is that? There's like something black in it. Just thought it was weird. Let me know what you think. Right now I'm posting this video on Easter, but this photo here of this moon was taken on March 30th. So it was before that moon launch.
There goes the water bug zooming. And they're off to the races. Go, little water bugs. Go, little water bugs, go! They're adorable. Over here by all these little flowers too. They're pretty. Alright, have a good day, you little water bugs. They are too cute. It's a cardinal. I don't know if this is the one she's talking to. And she's over there. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. The sky is like pinkish blue, purple. Wow. Fantastic. How amazing. Stunning. Ooh, I'm not going to stay out here too long. The mosquitoes are bad, but wow. How breathtaking.
I'm going to leave you with these visions of pink and think happy Easter thoughts and have a wonderful Easter night. Good night, everyone.